new project day one. Got this backsplash to do. We're going around all here, stopping right about the cabinets here, but over here we're going all the way up here. We're going to be doing a really nice, it's like a 3x12 subway tile that has a handmade look to it, so the edges aren't straight. I'll show you that here. And we're going to go around this whole bad boy. This client just had this kitchen redone with all these cabinets, and looks like the flooring as well, but I know the cabinets were recently done. So the previous contractor did some work on the walls here. I'm going to have to clean all this up, get it ready for tile, prime these walls as well, so that way we have a good bond to the wall. So that's what it looks like. Okay, so we got everything sanded down, scraped, and what I did, taped off the entire perimeter here, so that way when I'm priming I don't get anything on the areas I don't want to. But this is all primed with Eco Prim Grip from Pay, so we have a really good surface to bond to with a thin set mortar. So that is what it looks like right now. Letting this dry before it continues. You want to make sure you let this dry thoroughly before you start setting tile on this. Okay guys, here we are, day 2 of this project back on site. You can see what I did yesterday. Everything's protected. I had to screed some areas of this backsplash because pretty wavy down low there. A little bit is there as well. So today we're going to start setting some tile. Got the layout roughly done. I know I'm going to center on this window here. I'm not sure if I'm centering here yet, but this side's nearly ready, so that should be good to go. But day 2, going to continue on here. Hey guys, here we are back on site. Today's day 3. I was able to get this whole area over here set yesterday, as you could tell. I had to screed some more areas around here and make sure everything is flat as absolutely possible. So today I'm going to continue on with the install here. There you go. Okay guys, here we are back on site. Today's day 4. Came in yesterday and was able to set this whole section over here. So today I'm going to continue on. I'm going to bring the tile up here. That's the goal, is to finish this area. And if I have any leftover tile, I'm going to definitely bring it down here, so that way when you look from the side, you can't see you can't see the bare wall, you just see the tile. So at least 1 row, maybe 2, we'll see. But this is how she's looking. Show you the cuts up there against the cabinets. Came out pretty good. See around here, all pretty good, right? Not bad. Pretty good. That's probably my best cut right there, is that one right there. That came out pretty damn good. So you want to make your cuts tight, but you don't want to make them too tight so things can't move. So at least leave a little bit of a gap. You don't want a wide gap so it looks horrible, but you want somewhat of a gap so things can move around and have somewhere to go. Everything here is moving, right? Expansion and contraction. Cuts up against the window there, over there, then down low here where it meets the window. So came out pretty good, so can't complain about that. That's it. I'm gonna continue on. Before I forget to film today, I makes a video, right? Anyway, it's day 5 guys. I set this whole section from here up yesterday, up around that crown molding. Came out really nice. So today and down here, you always want to come bring the tile down at least a little bit. That way when you look from the side, you don't see the bare wall. You want to see that tile just continue down. But this is all cleaned up, ready for grout. We're going to be grouting with Mapei FA, and the color is Avalanche today. So it's like a white, really bright white. Then once all that's done, clean up everything, put the outlets in, caulk and silicone, and hand it back over to the client. But this is what it's looking like. Today's day 5 on site for this project. So there you go, guys. Give you guys a quick peek here. Everything is grouted and caulked with Mapei FA and Avalanche. So caulking the perimeter really helps for everything to be allowed to move, so we don't have cracking. But some caulk does crack because it only allows up to about 30% of movement, and silicone allows about 50. So silicone won't crack, but the color matching coil can potentially get a hairline on it, but it's still a lot less chance than if you grout it. It's definitely going to crack. It is just a matter of time, but this is how she looks so far. All completely done, all cleaned up, good to go for the client. You can see how it came out around this window. All clean cuts going around over here. Now, as you can see, got that. It only shows basically one row of tile there, but if you didn't do that, you would see the wall there. So those little details make a huge difference. So there you go. On to another project.